Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store without the hassle of sourcing and shipping products yourself? Oberlo promises to make that dream a reality by connecting you with suppliers and automating the dropshipping process. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine this: you've got a great idea for an online store. You've picked the perfect niche, designed a stunning website, and are ready to start selling. But then reality hits. You need to find products, negotiate with suppliers, handle inventory, and manage shipping. It's a lot to take on, especially if you're just starting out. That's where Oberlo comes in. It's a platform designed to simplify the dropshipping process. With Oberlo, you can browse through a vast catalog of products, import them directly into your store, and have them shipped directly to your customers. Sounds too good to be true? Let's take a closer look. Oberlo features product sourcing. Oberlo gives you access to a massive database of products from various suppliers. You can search for products by keyword, category, or supplier. Import to store. Once you find a product you like, you can easily import it into your online store with just a few clicks. Oberlo automatically fills in the product details, including images, descriptions, and pricing. Order fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Oberlo automatically sends it to the supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. Shipping tracking. You can track your orders and keep your customers updated on the shipping status. Oberlo mobile app. The Oberlo mobile app allows you to manage your store on the go. Advantages of using Oberlo. Easy to use. Oberlo is very user-friendly, even for beginners. Time-saving. By automating many of the dropshipping tasks, Oberlo can save you a lot of time and effort. Low investment. You don't need to invest a lot of money in inventory or a warehouse. Scalability. Oberlo can easily scale as your business grows. Disadvantages of using Oberlo. Limited customization. While Oberlo offers some customization options, you may have limited control over certain aspects of your products. Supplier reliability. The reliability of the suppliers you use can vary. Competition. There are many other dropshipping platforms available, so you may face competition. Is Oberlo worth it? Ultimately, whether or not Oberlo is worth using depends on your individual needs and goals. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to start an online store, Oberlo can be a great option. However, if you require a high degree of customization or have specific supplier preferences, you may need to explore other options. Oberlo offers a convenient and efficient way to start and run an online store. By automating many of the dropshipping tasks, it can save you time and money. However, it's important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.